done the axles. And it's different. This vehicle came with 4 axle shims, 1 for each hub. Interesting. Yeah, well, this is how I straighten axles. With a buddy who likes to do it in his drill press, slowly moving it and straightening it, moving it and straightening it by hand, spinning it and then checking it. I prefer rolling it and tapping it. Seems to do just as good a job and doesn't take as long. Here's one bent a little bit more, you can see that. As long as the end of the axle is over the edge, and you're getting a flat line. Not bad. That's how I do axles.